Let's say, what's this? Hello guys, like you can see, we are in the middle of the business here today, and like every video of my channel, this video is gonna be how to, and you'll learn a lot today, because I'm gonna show you one side, because this guy here is making the pizza, but he's sleeping, so the pizza is stuck on the counter. So I'm gonna show him how to detach the pizza from the counter, right, Sergio? He doesn't speak any English. I show you. Look at this. Look at this, what's going on today. So we got one, first of all. So this video is gonna be all about the tips, the mistakes that you make over the whole process. So I have a several short video that I post on Instagram and also YouTube, that I'm gonna put all together, so these reels, and show you how to make. This is just the intro. Like you can see, this is how you put the pizza, okay? And that's what you're gonna do. But we have a mistake here that I'm about to show you what's wrong here. Look, it's stuck. It's stuck. What this video is about? It's about how to fix these kind of issues. So we go ahead, we put flour, then flour on the counter, on the peel, vai. Okay. Now this pizza is not stuck anymore, because I'm gonna show you. Go in the oven, one shot, boom, voila. See? The pizza is not stuck. So watch until the end, because this video is all about tips and tricks how to fix everything. So it's gonna be probably about 10, 15, 20 tips, the shorts videos. So if you're on the cell phone, you're gonna be able to see it full cell phone. I like to show you all one after the other one, because you need to see this if you're making pizza. So watch until the end, smash the like, make sure to subscribe and share for the pizza soft and crunchy. Oh, this is the bacon. And now I'm back in business, because we are full of people here. We're gonna make pizzas, and I'll see you at the end of this video. Wait, stop. Oh, look, pinch it, finger under, pinch, finger under, and then all the pizza, voila!
That's so easy.
And then you fix it on the peel. See, again, pinch it, finger under, all the pizza down, boom. Now you do it. There we go. One more time. Okay, go. Perfect. Good job. Now, fix the pizza on the peel, the sides of the peel. Perfect. Good job.
Thank you.
That was easy, no? Good job. Then you put the pizza on there, and then you fix it. And that's how you put a pizza on the peel. Smash it. It's ready. Wow, it's soft and it's crunchy. Loris, let me ask you this. Look how small it is. What's the weight of the ball?
240.
Buonanotte. You've been with me for 2 years. The ball needs to be 280 grams, because the more is small, the weight, the more small it will become. The bigger will come. It's two ways to measure the pizza. But also another thing to make sure that the pizza comes out right is this. You stretch the pizza, put a little bit of flour, you make the pizza, then you put it on the peel. You just don't put the pizza on the peel and put it in the oven. You have to make the pizza the size of the peel, because this is the size of the plate. It's very important, the size of the pizza. And then you go one shot, because if you go like this, it's gonna become smaller. This is how you make a Neapolitan pizza, 12 to 13 inches, not 10 inches pizza. The size matters, and the weight matters on the Neapolitan pizza. Ah, you made the dough. Looks good. When did you make the dough?
About 30 minutes ago.
20 minutes ago. It looks so soft. It's not possible that the dough grows in 30 minutes. Did you forget something? Did you put everything?
I forgot the salt.
Okay, here is a way to fix this. How many of you forget the salt in the dough? Please let me know in the comment. We're gonna add 100 grams of water and 150 grams of flour. And of course, the salt that you forget. 35 grams every liter. See, it's sticky? That's also because it's no salt. Grab the whole dough, put it inside the mixer again. Speed really slow. We need to remake the dough. We add the 150 grams of flour. Wait a little bit. Add the salt in the little water that we have. Melt. Then little by little, we're gonna add the water until the dough absorbs. Make the dough until the water is absorbed and the dough is ready. We gotta remake the balls and then wait about 2 to 3 hours at room temperature. So when the dough grows so fast, it's because you're missing the salt. This is how you resolve this issue. Are you having fun? This is the middle of the video, and I wanna show you this 1 second. This is how you turn a pizza, because it's not here on the reel. So When you want to turn the pizza, you're gonna get the whole pizza, lift it up, and again go back. Lift it up and go back. That's how you turn the pizza. Look at this, how easy it is. So basically, that's what you're gonna do. You're gonna put the peel. Let's pretend this is the pizza. You get the pizza in the middle, you lift it up one side, and then you go back. Get the pizza, lift it up, and go back. Get the pizza, lift it up, and go back. That's how you, before I burn the pizza right there. That's how you make the pizza soft and crunchy. Keep watching, keep watching. What do you do? Don't keep going.
Yeah.
You're gonna stop. Take off the tomatoes from the pizza. Pinch it.
Yeah.
Flip it right there. Clean it. Put a little bit of flour. Then put, look. That's how you're gonna do it.
Vito, how can I fix it? The pizza is blowing.
Wait. What are you doing? Loris. Okay. Did you see this? This bubble? Right away, before the pizza cooks, you have to lift it up a little bit. See, the pizza now, the bubble is touching the floor, so it's cooking the floor. So what you do, wait a little bit, and now that the pizza is cooked, gently go from the side, you turn the pizza gently, move the spot. This way, that part that is blowing, now it's cooking. Did you see? Like a magic, the pizza, it's finally cooked. This is happening because, see, this part here, you put less cheese. Or because this part here is too thin. So for two reasons, or because it's too thin, or because there's no cheese. And the pizza blows up like a balloon, and that's how you messed up the pizza. You can make a hole. When it blows, the part on the bottom doesn't cook. Special line.
Vito, we'll stick. Vito, come on.
Calm down. Chill out, my friend.
Stick.
You can wait.
Why?
Because we are not in the pizzeria. We are not using marble. We're using wood. Pizza will never stick. Look at this. It's easy to handle. Look at this. It will never stick. So you can even wait. Look, see? They're not stick. You don't even need flour. So you can work lightly and gentle. Pizza will never stick. See? So calm down, chill out, bro. Whoa, Loris, what are you doing, Loris? Look how much flour you have. This one, even if you have a peel with holes like this, you're still gonna have this problem. And then, when it goes in the oven, this flour that is under the pizza, it will burn completely. So it's gonna taste bad, it's gonna look like yellow, it's not healthy, it's gonna mess up, make the oven dirty. So I show you how to stretch properly. First of all, don't use regular flour to stretch the pizza. So we use rice flour, because more fine, attach less on the pizza, and also use a bowl. Grab the dough, put it in the flour inside the bowl a couple of times. Time that is not wet anymore. And then take it off, put a little bit of flour on the bottom, and then you start to stretch. You stretch the pizza a couple of times like that. This way is no flour. Grab your hands like that, and then just a little bit of flour there, and then voila, boom, put the pizza on the counter. So we must have a peel with the holes, because when you grab the pizza, see, this is yours. When you put a lot of flour, see, it comes out from the bottom, yes, but you're still gonna have so much flour on the pizza. So that's why you stretch this way. So grab the pizza, just quick move a little bit, couple of times. This way all the extra flour goes down. You make the pizza big. Here we go, boom, boom, boom. And the pizza, when you go in the oven, put it down, boom, one shot. And then you're gonna have a healthy pizza. And you, what kind of flour you use to stretch the pizza? And you using a peel that have a hole? Whoa, hold on, Sergio. So if you see that the pizza is white on the bottom, you see? Look the pizza how white it is. So it's completely raw, and also risk to make a hole. Look at this, it's already cooking. So that's what you're gonna do. So it's two ways to do it. How you move it around and you cook it, but in this case, the bottom of the oven is really cold. So what we do is this, when you're using a hot wood burning oven, you can do this. First of all, grab a piece of wood and you put it on top of there. Second, grab the ash hot, flip it over upside down like that, boom. Voila, then clean up the bottom of the oven. Keep this in mind. Get the hot ash and flip it over on the bottom. Wait a few seconds and then put the pizza back inside. Now you'll see, check it out the bottom. Yeah, it's cooking lovely. Gently, because you already have a hole on there, you go ahead and change the spot constantly. Change the spot. Let's take it out, the pizza. Look at this. Now, you put the pizza on the plate, and now we check out the bottom. You remember it was clearly white. Now look at this. You have a hole, of course. See, the pizza is nice. Good looking charm, and that's how you cook a pizza when the bottom of the oven is cold. Okay, because I'm not gonna use it in about 1 hour, I'm gonna use this tonight. This is gonna overproof. So what we do, we take the ball and we reball it. Now we let it rest, and then it's ready to use. No, what are you doing? Look at how it does the dough. Did you see how nervous it is? Still small. It goes like a rubber. It's even thinner on the bottom, so you have too much dough. The problem here is when you reball it, because you can reball it, the dough overgrows, you have to wait about the doubles up the side. It doesn't matter if it's cold or hot. Well, if it's at room temperature, it usually takes 2 hours, 2 hours and a half. And then you are ready to stretch. So, what are you doing, Lori? No. Look. You think this pizza now, it's okay. But look the mistake that you did. The pizza is completely burned. Black equals burn. This is how you cook a pizza. Okay, did you see? I placed the pizza right in the center. So now keep in mind that spot. Now we give it a little check, the bottom. So if the pizza is white, we keep the pizza there 1 second. Now we go and we turn it. Keep the pizza exactly in the same spot. So now we go, we check again, and then we give it another 180 degrees. So if the pizza is ready and the bottom is not cooked like this, we go ahead and we keep it 3 seconds in a different spot. 1, 2, 3. If the pizza is black, we cook the pizza on the peel like this. The pizza, it's ready. Take a look, Loris. This is the perfect way to cook a pizza. See? Keep always the pizza in the same spot. You put the pizza straight to the plate. That's a mistake because look at it. The plate will be all wet. So like you see, the vapor comes out from the top, also comes out from the bottom. So the pizza, the time that you go to the table, it might be wet. It might be that it smells bad. It will become soggy. Look at this. We still have more water on the plate. So the proper way to do it is having something like that outside the oven or something like this and you keep it by the oven. So this is how you do it. So once you cook the pizza, look at the smoke coming out from the top and also comes out from the bottom. You cannot really see it, but is the vapor also, if you put your hands here, so it comes out from the bottom. So you wait like, I want to say 5 seconds, the time that this one doesn't smoke anymore. Move it a little bit and then boom, you go in the plate. Voila. This one, if you see now, look at this, the plate is dry. So also is super important when you do the pizzas to go because the pizza box, it becomes wet and that's a problem when the time that gets home. It's big.
Vito, can I dump this in the garbage?
Are you crazy? No, of course no. Grab everything like this. You make it into a ball. You put it in a container, smaller of course, or bigger. And then this one becomes your yeast for tomorrow. Or you can just, if you have space, put the whole thing in the fridge, pretending that you're gonna use it tomorrow. And then grab the whole thing like I did and put it in the dough mixer. And then you use this one as your yeast without adding any more yeast because this is leftover dough. It's like mother yeast.
But it's 3 days old.
Don't worry. So the lifetime of the dough is about 4, max 5 days. And then you can still use it for the leftover dough. Pasta di riporto, that's the proper name. This one, it gives you flavor and creates the leavening process, the fermentation. Comment below if you ever throw the dough away. Never. Wait. Pizza needs to be a circle. It's something is very important. When you grab the pizza, no, you want to get it all, okay. And now you don't want to have your hands like this. You want to have always separate, so like a cross. So you go pinch it, finger under, and you go like this. And then finger, pinch it, finger, pinch it. You have a circle pizza. Now I show you. From the oven, boom. Okay, voila. See the plate is a circle. Now, boom. Go ahead and having a pizza. Not a perfect circle because Neapolitan style pizza is not a really perfect. So this is how you make a perfect circle pizza. Voila. No, Donna said, what did you do? What happened? What's this? Why all this tomato sauce?
They ask more sauce.
This way the pizza will come out all soggy. Look at this. It's all wet. The customer is gonna say, hold on, but I didn't see extra sauce. So this is how you do it. Fresh the pizza. You put a little bit less tomato sauce of the regular pizza. Then you put fresh mozzarella, whatever toppings you wanna put. Then you go ahead and put a little bit extra sauce on top. Like that. And guaranteed, like this, the customer will see the extra sauce. So this... No, what are you doing? You left the peel in the oven. And the pizza is stuck, look. Take it out. Look the peel. For sure, look, you even burn the pizza. See, we have the shape of the peel. You don't want to do this. When you cook the pizza, you left the peel in the oven too much time. The peel got really hot. And when the peel is hot, the pizza peel sticks on the pizza and that doesn't get out. So a lot of times when you have all the ingredients full, when you do like this, you go fast, all the ingredients fall off. So that's... Show me. No. Stop. It's not compact. First of all, you cut the dough like this. Look, cut and put it inside. Cut and put it inside, like this. It needs to be the size of the ball. Second, little bit of olive oil in your hands. Tap, 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 tap. One end, put inside, F, and then start to make a balloon. Dough inside. When you see that it starts to rip a little bit, the dough is ready. Or when you feel the dough that is hard, it's ready. Measure and cut. Boom. And we make a 280. That's how you make the ball. Smash a lot. What are you doing? Look at this. Look at this. What did you do? You killed the structure, the good looking of a pizza. That's how you do it. Press this in the middle of the pizza crust, and then you cut in the middle, and then you keep cutting. You lift it up a little bit and then go ahead and cut the rest of the pizza just like that. Boom. This way you can keep the structure of the pizza by showing the people. That's why you cut the pizza with the scissors. Look at this. Did you see the dough is really dry? Look at this. It is a way to save this. Okay, you grab the water a little bit, tap your finger with the water, and then we gently go ahead and spread the water a little bit where the dough is dry. Wherever you feel that is dry, you pass the wet water, just like that. Then you go ahead, close it, wait about 15 minutes, and the dough will be regenerated, brand new again, ready to use and not dry. No. No. What are you doing?
Why?
With your nails. It doesn't work like that. You want to make the holes? Use the spatula. You always have it. Ta, 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 ta. It's the same thing. Look at this. Inside your nails, you have...
Yeah.
No. What are you doing? What are you doing? At 400 Celsius, the aluminum foil releases toxic substances. Did you know that?
No.
From now on, you don't use this.
And what can I use?
Easy. You use ice for pizza Nutella, cacio e pepe, anything else that you wanna use, like just the dough. The ice will melt it and will make the pizza humid. Exactly the same results of the aluminum foil. But you have a healthy pizza.
Oh my God, I forgot the yeast.
What do you mean you forgot the yeast? Okay, I'll show you how to resolve this issue if you could forget to put the yeast in the dough. 1 full cup of water. This way we don't change the hydration. Then you add the yeast that you want to add, put it inside. We melt the yeast. The water needs to be in room temperature. Make sure the yeast is all melted. Now, speed, not too fast. Turn it on, and we add the water with the yeast on top of the dough, little by little, like you want to finish the dough. Make sure you melt the yeast properly, and voila. Then you can finish the dough when the dough absorbs the water with the yeast. Oh, stop, Antonio. So like you can see here, we have a hole. You see this? So finish to spread the sauce or whatever you are putting. Don't panic. Flip it over. See? Put a little bit of flour. Grab the basil. Now it's wet. And put it in the flour. Just the part that's gonna go on the floor. So like you can see, now go ahead, put it down, and this hole is gonna go on top of the leaf of basil. Grab again the flour. Make sure it's not sticky anywhere. Grab the Parmesan cheese and go on top of the holes. Now we go with the cheese. We don't put any fresh mozzarella on top of the hole. Olive oil, pinch it, and then one shot. Don't touch it anymore, don't move it anymore. And keep in mind where is the hole. So we need to make the pizza big, but without moving where the hole is. We go in the oven, one shot, boom, boom. And we have to wait that it gets nice and brown before we give it a nice big turn. The pizza, it's ready. Now let's go ahead and let's see the hole, it's here. Pay attention, look at this. I'm gonna flip it over and show it to you. See, it's nice and doesn't have any hole. Cut exactly in the middle of where the hole was. This is the slice with the hole. Now we grab it and we eat it. I know that you skip some videos, but make sure to go back, watch all the tips because they are super important, they are free because YouTube is totally free. So guys, if you want to learn something more professional, I also have a masterclass course, which is the link is in description. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you so much for watching and see you every week with new video. Let's get to 2 million subscribers. We're almost there. Ciao.